Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about how to update your syllabus, class schedule, or course schedule within your Leo classroom setup. And again, you'll be given basically a model syllabus that has already been pre-populated, and most of what you'll need to do is just updating specific dates, due dates, and weekly dates. So what we're going to need to do, what I find helpful before I even get started in the online classroom, is on a separate Word document or a notepad or in a sticky pad like down on a piece of paper, I'll jot down all of the weeks in the semester and the beginning and end dates of each of those weeks. And I also find it helpful if I include the key assignments or assessments that are due within each of those weeks. Once I've done that as a reference, then I'll go into the classroom. I'll go back to the beginning page so you can see. I'll click on Content, and then in the upper blue ribbon, then I'll go down to Syllabus and make sure I've clicked on Syllabus in the left menu item. And then I click on the link for Syllabus. And when I go there, you'll notice there are two links for Syllabus. The top link won't help you much. It's the bottom link you want to go to, and I want to point out something that often confuses people in the beginning. You'll notice here this syllabus link, which is the one we want, will disappear once I scroll down. You see, once I scroll down, it disappeared. It reappears when I go to the top. So if you go down to the class schedule and you want to edit, it's common to want to click here, but that doesn't help you. Again, you need to go back up to the top, click on the drop down under the second syllabus, and click Edit. That then allows you to edit. Now all of this information is pre-populated and you don't need to change anything except for in the course schedule. You'll want to make sure under class assignment and schedule there are two buttons here. Do not click the X, that's the delete. It'll delete your entire section. That's not going to be the desired outcome. You want to click on this yellow Edit button just to the left, and then it'll open up a window that is editable. Then you can change any text you want in here. Typically, I've already pre-done this, but you're going to want, you'll see the word date usually in bold or all caps, and you're going to want to put in the desired dates. Now here I have the optional week 0, and in the optional week 0, again, this is purely optional. You can't require students to do anything graded prior to the start of class. But this is where students are going to be given a brief orientation about what they want to do to become familiar with your online classroom. It might give them a chance to start introducing themselves if you want to make the introduction discussion open before the semester officially starts. Just some things to help create an environment where students feel that there's active learning and community already set up. So once you've gone through these dates, you're going to have to put in. I've already done them ahead of time, but you're going to want to make sure that all these dates are accurate and reflect your weekly schedules. And for each of these weeks, 5, 6, and so on, down to week 8, then you want to make sure you have the final exam due date is always the last day of class. And if you have a project or an applied project paper or anything like that, that's usually due the last day of class as well. So once all of your dates have been entered and you've double checked, triple checked, because the syllabus is going to be a very sacred document, and it's sort of a guide that will be your sort of compass and your students' compass for the class. You hit save, and if you want to make sure that the saves have been updated and uploaded, just go back to Content, make sure you're on Syllabus, click on Syllabus, and you'll see, you just scroll down, you'll see your class assignment and schedule has been updated with all the dates. I hope this is helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to your course chair or either the program chair or assistant program chair. Thanks.